Samsung's first tri-folding phone is finally expected to go official later this month, and this time it's shaping up to be a global headline. For months, everyone assumed the device would only land in a couple of markets, like China and South Korea. But surprise, Samsung is reportedly planning to bring it to more countries than anyone expected. We've now learned that the Galaxy Z Trifold, that's the tentative name, won't be limited to its home turf. It's set to launch in the UAE and possibly even make its way to the USA. That's a bold move, and it shows just how confident Samsung is in this futuristic piece of tech. The company clearly believes this phone is ready to be seen, tested, and experienced by more people around the world. According to CNN Business, Samsung is still finalizing the list of countries where the Galaxy Z Trifold will debut, and the US is seriously being considered. If that happens, it'll be historic. The first ever tri-folding phone officially sold in the United States. Huawei might have beaten Samsung to the concept in other regions, but because of the ban, no other tri-folding phone exists in the US market right now. That means Samsung could enjoy a massive head start and dominate this new category for quite some time. The Galaxy Z Trifold is rumored to unfold into a stunning 10-inch OLED display that folds neatly into 3 parts. Recently revealed patents suggest it'll be powered by a unique 3-battery setup, something no smartphone has done before. It's also expected to pack a triple camera system, featuring a jaw-dropping 200-megapixel main camera, an ultra-wide lens, and a telephoto camera capable of up to 100x digital zoom, much like the Galaxy S Ultra series. A recently published patent from Kypris might have just given us our best look yet at the Trifold's final design. The device looks somewhat like an expanded Galaxy Z Fold 7, but once you take a closer look, you realize it's a whole new beast. The structure is different, the mechanics are more intricate, and the technology inside is clearly something Samsung has been perfecting for years. The Galaxy Z Trifold doesn't rely on just 1 or 2 batteries, but 3. Each segment of the phone has its own power source, with each battery sized differently. The section that houses the cameras contains the smallest one. The middle section, with the cover display, has a slightly larger battery. And the final segment, the one sandwiched between the other two when folded, carries the largest cell. It's an engineering masterpiece, designed for balance, endurance, and efficiency. While the Kypris documents didn't spill the exact battery capacities or charging speeds, they did confirm one thing. This design is real, detailed, and far beyond the early prototype stage. It's not a vague concept anymore. It's a product that's nearly ready for the spotlight, and that spotlight might come sooner than expected. Reports suggest Samsung could officially unveil the Galaxy Z Trifold by the end of October. Availability might still be limited at first, possibly just a few select regions, similar to the Galaxy Z Fold SE launch. But with Samsung's growing confidence, a wider release seems inevitable. Under the hood, the phone is expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy processor, paired with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and at least 256 gigabytes of internal storage. It'll likely feature a 6.5-inch cover display, along with wireless and reverse wireless charging. Out of the box, it will run Android 16 with One UI 8, and Samsung is reportedly committing to an incredible 7 years of Android OS updates. The Galaxy Z Trifold isn't just another foldable, it's a glimpse into Samsung's next chapter. A chapter where boundaries disappear, screens stretch farther, and innovation folds in ways we've only imagined until now.